Good morning students. Today we are going to see internal structure of dicot root bean plant. A thin transverse section of dicot root, TS of root, short form TS of root. The dicot root shows the following structures: epiblema, cortex, endodermis, stele. First, ground plan. What is meant by ground plan? Ground plan means directly we cut the root and see, not enlarged one. So it is called as ground plan. First part, root hair, piliferous layer, cortex, phloem, xylem and pericycle. Stele. Stele means all tissues in to the endodermis. Endodermis is a innermost layer. Next to endodermis constitute pericycle and vascular bundle and pith, together stele. Stele means pericycle and vascular bundle. Pith also is there, but in dicot root, pith is absent when the plant grown up, matured one, pith absent. When the plant is young, that time pith is present, but in monocot, developed, matured plant is not having pith. Now we are going to see enlarged diagram. Root hair, piliferous layer, together is called epiblema, is the outermost layer. Cuticle and stomata are absent. Epiblema is the outermost layer. Cuticle and stomata are absent. Cuticle is a waxy layer. In the root, no waxy layer, and stomata is small opening that also absent in the root. Unicellular root hairs are present. Root hairs are present. It is also known as rhizodermis or piliferous layer. Next one, cortex. Cortex is the multi-layer large zone. Multi-layer large zone. It made of thin walled parenchymatous cell. It made thin parenchymatous cell with intracellular space. Intercellular space means in between cells some space are present, that is called intercellular space. Some space are present intercellular. Some cells are space are present. In between 2 or 3 cells are there. In between some space are there. That is called intercellular space. It stores water and food. Next one, endodermis. Endodermis next to cortex. Endodermis is the innermost layer of cortex. Next to cortex. The cells are barrel shaped. Barrel means cylinder shaped. Closely packed. No intercellular space. And show band-like thickening on the radial. Radial means circle. And inner tangential walls called Casparian stripe. Already we know, studied. Casparian stripe is present or Casparian stripe is absent. Here Casparian stripe is present. It helps in movement of water and mineral, cortex to xylem. Water is moving from the root hair to cortex, cortex to xylem. In the endodermis, this helps to move the minerals and waters to the xylem. Next, pericycle. Pericycle is the inner to endodermis. It lies single layer of pericycle. It origin from the lateral root. It origin from the lateral root. Next, phloem. phloem and xylem. Phloem and xylem together, vascular bundle. It is radial. Xylem is endarch and tetrarch. Is in between the xylem and phloem, conjunctive tissue is present. It is made up of parenchyma cells. Already I told xylem and phloem is together called stele. Next, internal structure of monocot root maize plant. The thin transverse section of monocot root. It shows the following structures: epiblemma or rhizodermis, cortex, endodermis, stele. Stele constitute pericycle, vascular bundle, otherwise vascular tissues, pith. It's a ground plan. Ground plan, root hair, piliferous layer, cortex, endodermis and pith. Next, we'll see the enlarged one. First, root hair, piliferous layer, together is called epiblemma or rhizodermis. It is the outermost layer of the cortex, made up of parenchymatous cell. Stomata and cuticle are absent. The root hair helps to absorb water and minerals from the soil to protect inner tissue. It is protect the inner tissue. Next, cortex. Cortex is the multi-layered large zone made up of parenchymatous cell with intercellular space. It stores water and food. Next one, Casparian stripe. Casparian stripe, endodermis. Together called endodermis. Casparian stripe, endodermis together. It is the innermost layer. Together the line or two lines are together. One line is Casparian stripe, next line is endodermis. It is the innermost layer of the cortex. Casparian stripe are present. It is made up of suberin. Suberin, one type of glucose. Next, pericycle. Pericycle is a single layer, thin walled cell. Layered root originate from these cells. Next, phloem. Protozoum, metaxylem. Phloem, protoxylem, metaxylem. Protoxylem is small one, metaxylem is big one. Then phloem, together vascular bundle. Vascular bundle consists of xylem and phloem arranged radially circle alternatively. The xylem exarch and polyarch. The conjunctive tissue is made up of sclerenchyma. The conjunctive tissue made up of sclerenchyma. In dicot, the conjunctive tissue is made up of parenchyma. Here, sclerenchyma. Next, pith. Pith is it is present in the center. It is made up of parenchyma cell with inner cellular space. Intercellular space. It constitutes abundance of starch grains. It stores food. The abundant starch grains. It stores food. The pith and cortex is storing. The duty is storing. We'll see full structure. This is the TS of monocot root. Thank you, children.